videos I have ever shot. There are more than 750 of them. This is a very special video. We are at this place called Kerala Kitchen, which is in Hyderabad, and more specifically, it's near the AOC Center in Secunderabad. You know, considering almost close to all of the 230 subscribers are from Hyderabad, so AOC Center is the place where you need to come if you want some authentic Malayali food. Hello people, oh my god, this is like a dream come true. I've always wanted to shoot a food vlog. I mean, because that's the exact sort of videos I love watching on YouTube. And so here we are, like I said, at Kerala Kitchen, and I have like this lovely appam and veg stew. People, Kerala Kitchen is a place that if you're a Malayali and if you're in Hyderabad, which most of my subscribers are from Hyderabad, you all should visit if you want authentic Kerala food, because sometimes you feel homesick for food from home. So this is the place you need to be. And considering my channel is called Half Sindhi Little Mallu, it's only right that I begin this food vlogging journey from Kerala Kitchen. So right now, that's what I don't want you all to see me eating. But like I said, this is some very nice veg stew. I come here quite often, in fact, because it's the whole the nicest thing that I've realized about this particular place is it gives you that homely feel. I mean, right down to the owners who run this little place. I mean, you just feel at home when you come here. So I think that is in any restaurant, any food business, I think that is the key element. Some places make you feel welcome. Like for instance, when I'm shooting this video itself, I've got like the full cooperation of everyone here, which may not have happened in certain other places. So I think this is really something. It speaks so well of the proprietors of this place, that they're so welcoming, and you just want to keep returning here for this warm feeling. And see, for instance, we've got paisam also complimentary, and this is for all the customers, because today is, I know, it's something special, I guess. So these are certain things that you would notice. Like, see, people, I'll be honest, I prepared a whole script, that I'm going to sound very intelligent and say this and say that. And of course, this place is really good if you are a non-vegetarian, because you find things like even rabbit fry, and then there is Calicut chicken kurma, and Naimeen curry, Malabar style and Kottayam style. So these are certain, you won't find it in other menu cards across the city, in fact anywhere. So I think this is special. So I think I start eating, because that's a good thing. Since I'm at Kerala Kitchen, you should be here to eat. So